Hello and welcome to the third installment of the small block engine build series, and in this video we'll be dropping the engine in the truck and seeing if it fires up. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
One eternity later.
Pause the video. Now you may be asking yourself, what happened to the footage? 1 second ago you were struggling to get the engine in, and now it's fully installed into the truck. What happened? Well, I didn't record any of that because it was getting late at night and I really wanted to finish this up, and most of this is done in reverse in my first video anyway, so you kind of get the picture. So, alright, play the video. And in this moment, with timing light in hand, we see Brad contemplating the entire build. Did he forget any parts? Did he assemble the engine correctly? Did he set the timing correctly? Will it fire up? Cue the music. So at this point, I was really confused because the timing kept changing on me and I didn't understand why. And the reason that it kept changing on me was I didn't have the distributor hold down clamp tight enough. So if you look really closely in the footage, you can see that distributor cap slowly turning back, with the engine vibration and everything like that. And you can see that I later realized that it was, in fact, too loose, and I reached back there and tightened that clamp up, put a little bit more resistance on the distributor, and we were all set.